What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Drift Realm. Today's vlog is a little random. It's a Sunday and we're chilling, messing around at the house, and I figured why not bring you guys along. I'm not doing anything else. So these two dorks being adorable. Look at this, man. Isn't this look at how much sauce this has. If you think he should just rock a silver hood, comment down below, because I think he should.
I think I should too.
But
comment down below if you think that Don should help me put my other hood on, though.
Hey, you're getting really close to driving this, actually.
We'll see.
Let's see some sauce under here. Do you have... Look at this man right here. It's coming out really clean. Like, obviously, there's some odds and ends that are not so clean. But overall...
It's not a clean engine, mate. This is not the goal.
It's gonna be a ripper. We know that. He's got the dash back in. Everything's coming back together. He's got some really cool paint over here. This thing's sweet, man. Make sure you check out his channel so you can follow along with the build that he's not posting about.
Make sure that you do that.
You need to post more.
Did you break off a piece of your...
I think that got lost at the drift event.
Jeez.
Okay, so what I figured I'd show you today. Look at what Kyle did, man. Kyle, show me around your drift cart. Explain what's going on here.
Well, we had to do a custom WiseFab angle kit. Yeah.
That is lock to lock right there.
Oh,
you can see there's upgraded Heim joints, beefier tie rods, and a caster mod, and extended lower control arm.
These are our old ones.
Yeah, Kyle, I think I have a video of it. Kyle drove straight into a tree.
It's not bad, yeah.
Okay, and as you go back, we even did this little exhaust on it, or you did this exhaust on it today. It's kind of cool.
It looks like shit, but...
And I think people are probably noticing right now that there's shit wrapped around your tires, and
we had too much traction.
Yeah. And we don't have time to wait for PVC pipe to put over it, so...
Next best thing, PVC tape.
It's like... It's pretty solid, man. It's probably gonna get torn up, but...
I mean, we're gonna be on the grass, so...
Yeah, we're gonna try it out, because why not?
Yeah, we shouldn't have any grip.
Heck yeah. Slider, bud. This thing looks kind of cool, though.
It kind of works.
If only it wasn't super sketch.
Sketch is our middle name.
What's sketchy about this?
Yeah, that's the bad part, guys. It goes to full lock with like a quarter of a turn. Like it just, you all of a sudden, understeer.
Or the wash. Dude, that's my coilover washer. Whoops. I've been meaning to put that back on. Oh.
All right, man. Hey, the tire wear was better after airing it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's scrub the outside more. Send it, Sally.
See what she does.
Woo! Oh, it hella works! Yo, it rips! Yes, that's a victory! Yeah! Oh yeah, hell yeah, I want to try this.
Damn, bud. Hey, how's the footrest work?
That works good.
Help?
Yeah.
I broke my back. Spinal.
Oh, it's so bouncy right here. Like, I'm trying to do donuts, but I'm not. This looks so much fucking fun. Oh, my back! okay? Okay, first of all, we need a bucket seat. Dude, my hips kept hitting the bar and I'm just like, oh. It has no suspension, so you feel everything. Hey, that was hella fun though.
That works perfect.
You kept your steering really smooth. I was impressed, because for me, I'm like, come on, grip. I think it's more steering control for me, because like I'll end up doing this too much. Like I just move it too far, too fast.
Yeah, you gotta do a little movement.
Okay, so that ride was so bad that I think we're gonna put some foam on here and hopefully my ass will hurt less. Bam. Look at that. That's a bucket seat now. That is that's SFI spec, I think, or like whatever the certification is. Yeah, so my hip's bruised, but that should help. All right, so we got the pads on. Kyle's gonna weld the exhaust back up because it broke right there. We created a route, a little path back here, a little track. Even threw out the tires. Clipping point out there, that's an outer clipping point. Come through this, just sweep through here. And then you manji back into there. There's a clipping point out there, come around that pool and back through. Sometimes at this house, I feel like a child because we do stupid shit all the time. I just started embracing it though.
That's what makes it fun. Oh, you broke the exhaust!
Damn it!
Come on, guy!
My bad, I came a little too hard. Dude! Hell yeah! It didn't even break on the welds, it broke on the pipe itself because it's so thin, but this thing literally hit the clipping point. Well, there you have it, guys. The Kart is a ripper. We're gonna fix it and probably keep ripping on it a little more today, but I think that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for joining the Drift Realm. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends, man. We're trying to grow here, get a bigger page, get better content. I know this was a bit of a short episode. The next one, we'll be back with the E36, working on it a little more and giving you guys an update from when you last saw it at the Drift event. Some things are broken, some things need to get fixed, and they will get fixed. And then after that, we've got a Drift event. So plenty of good content to come. See you guys later.
Smoking 2 J's in the Toyota. Next verse coming through the Motorola. Dig me? Pulled over now just to fill the quota. Tapping on my fender, dog searching for aromas.